Hey guys, Anthony here. In this video, I'll give you an overview of ZKart and walk you through the user interface. ZKart is an online cart builder with which you can create product and checkout pages and sales funnels. In a previous video, I showed you the initial ZKart setup, so watch this tutorial if you haven't yet. So I'm logged into my ZKart account, and this is the main dashboard where it displays all your account transactions for your ZKart account. At the top, you'll notice this toggle button for affiliate and vendor. So if I switch it to affiliate, it will turn green and the whole dashboard will change. This is where you manage your affiliate management system, and I'll cover this in a separate tutorial. So let me switch back to the vendor dashboard. Here you can change the language of the user interface. Currently you have two options, English and Spanish. This bell icon will display notifications, and if you click on the profile, you'll see these three options. My profile and settings are also available in the left side panel, which I'll show you in a moment. Under My Funnels is where you create your sales funnels, and I'll be creating a separate tutorial for this. But in order to create a funnel, you need to first set up your products, which is the next section right here. Again, I'll be creating a separate tutorial on how to add products. In the coupons section, you can create coupons on any of your products to provide discounts to your customers. Under transactions, it'll give you a snapshot of all your transactions, as well as detailed transactions. Under affiliates is where you manage your affiliates, and is the same as I showed you earlier when we switched the account to affiliate. Like I said earlier, I'll create separate tutorials to cover this. Under My Wallet, it'll display credits you have in your Mintware wallet which can be withdrawn. In the profile section is where you can change any of your personal and store information. Under settings, you manage several notifications by using the toggle buttons. Under customers, it will display all your customer details. Under My Purchases, it will display any of your purchases you made. And finally, under Apps is where you can set up autoresponders, your payment processors, and other integrations. By the way, these app integrations work across all Mintware apps, so you only have to do this once. For example, as you can see, I've set up my MailChimp account, so you don't have to do this again for other Mintware apps. So let me go back. And that pretty much covers the walkthrough of the ZKart user interface. Well, hope you found this ZKart overview helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. And thanks for watching.